Welcome friends. This is the very important video for all of you because in this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and many other coins and going to tell you my exact targets, my next targets and next move of Bitcoin and other altcoins. So please stay in this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are a new user or if you like this video, then please thumbs up this video, thumbs up the like button. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour chart, and there are many things are happening in this chart and in this Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market right now. I have to show you all my targets. That is why my chart is right now is very complicated. So please stay in the video and please learn carefully, and please I will tell you my next targets. Please stay in the video. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently at $37,120 level and struggling in between this rising wedge. Bitcoin was in this downward channel and break this downward channel, and in my previous video I was told you that Bitcoin will definitely is going to hit $39,500 very soon, and Bitcoin is on his way. Let me please remove this sum of drawings. That's why. Let me please do this. Now you can color this. See. Here you can see these all are resistance levels I draw in my chart, and these are support level currently for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin break this, I think you will see action like this maybe. And after that, when Bitcoin break this upper trend line and move towards upside, then and break this resistance, which is at 3,800 and I think $500 level, $500 to $600 level, then definitely it will go high and it will do very crazy moves, and it will definitely going to hit my target. Let me please show you some of my targets for you. Here you can see we have to put at where Bitcoin break this rising wedge. If it can break this rising wedge towards that point, or if it can break this rising wedge from that point and break this resistance level, then my next target will be at 41,300. This is the immediate short-term target. And let me please show you my big target, I think, which will be very informative and very, I think, useful for all of you. If Bitcoin do this from that point, then we have to put line from that point, and let me please check what is the next. 41,265, and if Bitcoin break, let me please remove this, and here you can see this is the bigger picture that I was expecting and that I was waiting for, and this target will be insane. This is the symmetrical symmetrical triangle in 1 hour chart, and here you can see if I calculate and put at the upper trend line, then our target will be $51,000 level, which is very, very, I think, interesting, and this is insane, I think. And Bitcoin definitely is going to do this, but let me please show you the other part of this picture and other side of this picture. If Bitcoin rejected from that point, here you can see currently the resistance is at $38,000 to $38,500 level. If Bitcoin rejected from that point, maybe we see some side actions like this. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this downtrend line towards downside, this will be the disaster. Let me please show you the next targets. If this happens, then we have to calculate the height of this symmetrical triangle. Then we have to put it at the bottom line. Here you can see. $23,000 is next target, I think so. If this happens, if Bitcoin break this rising wedge, if Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangles and close overly candle or 4 hourly candle below this trend line and go down, and after that Bitcoin retest again, then this will be the confirmation that Bitcoin is ready for the bearish move, and Bitcoin will hit, I think, $23,000, which will be the bust case, I think so. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see. EMA ribbon of 1 hour is currently at $36,600 level, and it is acting like a spot for the Bitcoin. But nowadays Bitcoin is not respecting these these ribbons. Here you can see Bitcoin break these ribbons several times, so we do not rely on this only on this ribbon. We have to wait and we have to watch all the I think things which are necessary for us. Currently this is the rising wedge. I am waiting for the breakout or breakdown. If Bitcoin break towards upside, then definitely it will hit $41,000 level. If unfortunately Bitcoin break this towards downside, then let me please show you. If Bitcoin break this and break this downtrend line too, then first immediate bearish target will be 34,000. Currently these are the targets I am waiting for: $41,000 level and $34,000 level. When this breakout happen of this rising wedge, I am waiting for. Let me please do some other altcoin technical analysis, because all of you are waiting for this. And let me please show you my beautiful Ethereum. Here you can see Ethereum perfectly hit my target, which was at $1,384 level, and after breakout Ethereum did this and hit my target. Now question rises, what is the next? Many of you are asking to me, what is the next plan of Ethereum and what will be next target for the Ethereum? Right now I am going to tell you. Let me please remove these drawings and let me please show you the next moves. Here you can see. Here you can see this is now a resistance line. I think upper trend line, maybe you can say. Now Ethereum is creating a little bull flag. Here you can see. Let me please draw this and tell you immediate short-term target for the Ethereum right now. Let me please do this, please. Please friends, like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel as well as. Telegram channel's link and my YouTube channel link is in this video description. You have to subscribe both channels for more informative content and very useful information and regular updated information, because I post regularly on my Telegram channel. Because it is not possible to me to make a video every time, and that's why I update all of you in my Telegram channel. This is the immediate short-term target for the Ethereum right now for me, $1,400 and I think $50 level, which is very, very important for the Ethereum. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see this is the day chart. Ethereum is right now struggling to break this. Let me please. Ethereum is right now struggling to break this. This is the last all-time high of one-day chart in Bitstamp Ethereum USD 1 hour chart, and if Ethereum break this level 1430, then definitely it will go very high. I am going to tell you these levels now. Please watch this carefully. For this, we have to take Fib retracement, and here you can see. Let me please arrange this. After that, I am going to tell you. Friend, please show your support. Please join my Telegram channel. And if you want updated information of any coin next targets, and any coin's technical analysis and chart, please join my Telegram channel. For that, link is in this video description. And if you want to trade with Bybit and Binance, then links are in this video description. Click on these links and create your Bybit or Binance account if you want. The links are in this video description. Currently, Bybit is offering a $600 bonus to all of you for new and old users. Link is in this video description. So create your new account and enjoy a $600 bonus. Here you can see after putting this Fib retracement level, here you can see. Let me please arrange this too again. Just wait, friends. Just wait. Here you can see. Now I am ready to tell you my next target. Currently, Ethereum is struggling at that point, which is at 0.7, which is in between 0.78 to 1 level. If Ethereum hit this level, and which is at $1,406, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit and stay above this level, I think, which is at $1,410 level, and stay above and close overly candle above this level. Then we may think that Ethereum is going to hit next big target, which is at $1,700 level. Yes, friends, this is my long-term target for Ethereum. Long-term mean I am not very bearish on Ethereum right now. I think Ethereum will definitely hit this within some weeks. I think so. $1,712 or $1,710, which is it is the next target for me. If Ethereum break this and which is at break this level, which is at $1,410 approximately, and stay above this level and close overly candle or 4 overly candles above this resistance, I think I can say, then Ethereum definitely is going to hit $1,700 very soon. This is my next target for the Ethereum. Now let me focus on other coins chart because video is getting, and let me please arrange this chart too. Here you can see. In my previous video, I was at this target for Ripple, and Ripple hit this target very successfully. Now Ripple is at the moment Ripple is trading at $0.30, and it was it was at 0.30, approximately 0.33 dollars level. Now what next for the Ripple? If Ripple break this, which is now as I think support zone for the Ripple. If Ripple break this support zone, and then Ripple must have to respect this trend line, and if Ripple break this trend line too, then definitely Ripple is going to hit 0.27 first level and 0.28 first level, and first target, and 0.27 is second target. But for this, Ripple must have to close hourly candle below this support zone. Then after that, Ripple must have to break this down trend line, which is at 0.29 dollars. If Ripple break this 0.29, then definitely Ripple is going to hit 0.28 and 0.27 very, very soon. But we have to wait. Maybe we may see Ripple pull back from that level, and maybe it is going to hit other high targets, and we have to wait for this. Currently, market is very uncertain, and we are seeing a fight between bears and bulls, and whales are fighting too. Let me please show you next chart, which is EOS USDT. Here you can see EOS hit this symmetrical triangle and was very near to break to hit my target, which was at 2.97. But after achieving 70% of target, here you can see we see some resistance at that point, which is at let me please arrange this 2.9, sorry, and after that we may see like this. Let me please remove these drawings. Let me find the next. Here you can see this is like a ascending triangle in this EOS chart, but it is not as perfect as let me find another. Here you can see this is good. This is the rising channel, and EOS is moving in this rising channel, and if EOS break this rising channel towards downside, then next target will be, I think so, is at 2.73 very soon. If Ethereum, if EOS break this, then this, if EOS break towards upside and break this resistance too, then immediate short-term target for the EOS is at, I think so. Let me please label on this 2.99. You can say $3 target, and we have to wait for this. And if in any case EOS break this towards downside, then $2.7 is my next target for the EOS. Currently, these are two targets, immediate short-term targets for me for EOS coin. 2.9, I think you can say $3 level, and $2.7 level. These are two levels I am waiting for in EOS coin. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Litecoin LTC. Here you can see Litecoin break this symmetrical triangle and hit my target very perfectly. Now I have to remove this. Let me find the next targets for the Litecoin right now. Litecoin is currently respecting this downtrend line very much, and if we do this, you can see Litecoin currently is in this rising wedge, and any breakout will lead Litecoin to breakdown will lead Litecoin to First is 147 and second is at $138 very soon. If this happen in this, if Litecoin break this downtrend line, which is currently is at $158 level, and if Litecoin break this downtrend line and close only candle below this zone, I tell you 158, then definitely Litecoin is going to going down. Then it will hit 147 first, then after that it is going to hit 138. And if let me show you the other side of this picture. And if Litecoin successfully continue his rally in this rising wedge, then definitely Litecoin must have to break this upward resistance, which is at $169 level. If Litecoin break this resistance, in that case, let me please show you. I am going to tell you exact targets which I am waiting for in Litecoin. $186 level. These are two upside levels, 168 and 185. These are next targets for me in Litecoin. And if Litecoin break this rising wedge towards the downside, then definitely it is going to hit 138 to $140 level very soon. We have to watch very carefully. Currently, Litecoin is struggling in this ascending triangle. Ascending wedge. Next coin is Wi-Fi USDT. Here you can see Wi-Fi is currently was in this rising broadening wedge, and here you can see currently a new pattern is creating in this 4 hour chart, and here you can see this is the falling wedge. If Wi-Fi break this falling wedge towards upside, and if this happens from that point, then our next target will be at $41,200 for the Wi-Fi. And unfortunately, if Wi-Fi break this downtrend line and also break this descending wedge, falling wedge, then definitely it is going to hit. Let me please calculate. Then definitely it is going to hit 31,900 very soon. You can say 31,900 or 32,000. These are two levels I am waiting for: $41,000 level and $32,000 level. In this move, currently I am expecting from Wi-Fi. Let me please show you the next one, which is the Link coin. In my previous video, I was told you that Link is in this rising channel, and here you can see first top or second top. After that, I was told you that it will go down, and here you can see at that point at downtrend line, we see a pullback. And let me please arrange this right now. If in any case Link coin break this rising channel towards downside, then our next target will be our next support zone, which is at 17.5, and here you can see, which is 17.5 to 17.8. This level I am expecting. Otherwise, we may see action like this. It will go down, and after that it will hit this $25 level, and after that maybe it is rejected again, and we see some sideways action like this. But I have to show you the other side of this picture. Let me please show you. If Link coin break this towards upside, then definitely Link is going to hit 29.2. Currently I am setting three targets. First one is 17.8. Second one is $25 level. Let me please label on these levels. 17.5, 25 and $29. These are three levels for me. If link break this towards downside, then 17.5. If link break this rising channel and close over the candle below this downtrend line, which is currently at 21.5. If link close 4-hour candle below $21.5 level, then definitely link is going to hit 17.5 very soon. Let me please show you my next chart, which is TRB USDT. Here you can see. Let me please convert it into 1 hour. Sorry for that. Let me please convert it into 1 hour chart for better understanding and better view. Here you can see. TRB is currently in this triangle. If break towards upside, then definitely it is going to hit $37. For this, TRB must have to break this upward resistance, which is at $35 level. And if TRB break this $35 level, then definitely it is going to hit my target 37.2. And if unfortunately TRB reject from that line and break this downtrend line, which is at $30.3 level, then definitely TRB, let me please set the level for the TRB. Then definitely TRB is going to hit this down I think down support zone, which is at 24.5. We have to wait and after the breakout and breakdown, you can took this trade at your own risk, because leverage trading is very risky right now. And for this trade you have to wait, and let's suppose if TRB break towards upside from that level, and after that it went down and retest this level again, and then you have to open this trade. And because for this, TRB must have to close over the candle above this upper trend line, which is at $32 level. If TRB close over the candle above $32 level, then you can open a new trade. $23 level, $33 level. Sorry for 32. If TRB close over the candle above $33 level, then you have to open this trade. And after, if in the other case, if TRB close over the candle below 30 level, then you can open this trade. Let me please show you my next chart. Please friend, like this video. I am working very hard for all of you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel for more informative content. And if you want to $600 bonus, then you have to open a new Bybit account, and link is in this video description. And if you want to trade with many coins, then you have to open a Binance account. The link of Binance coin is in this video description too. Here you can see this is the Stellar US 1 hour chart. Here you can see Stellar is currently break this symmetrical triangle towards upside, and my target was at 0.34, but after hitting 0.32, it is facing some resistance, and now it is in this rising wedge. And if Stellar break this rising wedge towards downside, then first target is at 0.30, you can say, and after that we may see it will again this symmetrical triangle, then definitely it is going to hit I think 0.27 and 0.27 and 0.25, but we have to wait. and if this happens, then next target is at 0.2777, and if Steeler respect this upper downtrend line, then we may see some sideways action like this, and after breaking this, we may expect this target and very let me show you next big side next upside targets. If this happens, you can trade like Steeler like this, 0.36. We have to wait for the breakout or breakdown in Stellar coin. The next coin is Zaleka. Here you can see Zaleka was in this pennant, and here you can see Zaleka is right now is breaking this pennant. If I calculate the target of this pennant, and let me please calculate this. And please show your support, please like my video, and please join my channel, subscribe my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel for informative stuff and informative content which will be very useful in your leverage trading and in your spot trading too. Here you can see 0.085 is next target if this move towards upside, and if unfortunately it is going down and break this symmetrical triangle, and after that we can trade Zaleka, and the next target for Zaleka will be 0.07. If Zaleka rejected from that point and move towards downside, and after that break this downtrend line, then definitely Zaleka will going to hit 0.07. And in other case, if overly candle close overly candle above this level upper trend line, and retest this again like this, then definitely it is going to hit my targets. You can trade very carefully in Zaleka. Next is VChain VET. Here you can see VET is currently in this rising wedge, and if VET break this, if VChain break this rising wedge towards the downside, then our next target will be at 0.0245. For this, Zaleka must have to break this support zone, which is at 0.028 and 0.027. And if Zaleka move towards upside, then we may see some actions like this. VChain. If VChain break this upper resistance, which is at 0.32, then definitely Zaleka is going to hit next target, which is at 0.035. We have to wait for this. Let me please show you my next coin, which is ADA USDT, Cardano. Here you can see Cardano is in this symmetrical triangle and respecting this downtrend line very much. And let me please show you my next target for the Cardano. If Cardano break this symmetrical triangle and move and close overly candle above this level, which is at 0.3803, then definitely it is going to hit 0.426. And if unfortunately it moves towards downside and break these both trend lines, which are at 0.37, then definitely it will go down. And let me please show you my next bearish target for Cardano. The next bearish target for the Cardano is at 0.329. We have to wait until Cardano break these downtrend lines or break this upper trend line, then we can trade Cardano with breakout or with breakdown. Next chart is Tezos XTZ. Here you can see Tezos is breaking this symmetrical triangle towards upside, and if this happens, Tezos close this with high volume, then definitely it is going to hit 3.67, and in other case, if it is rejected from that point and go down and break this towards downside, then my target is at 2.42. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Tron. It is Tron 1 hour chart of Binance. Tron is in this rising, you can say rising channel too, and we may see, I think, some sideways action in Tron like this. After that, definitely it is going to hit, and when this breakout happens, then Tron definitely, let me please mark this level, $0.035. You can say 0.03584 is the next target for me in Tron, but it will take time, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the Polkadot chart. Let me please find what is happening in this Polkadot. Let me please find because the chart was not prepared, and I was very busy and facing some health issues right now. That is why Polka was not in my list. Now you can see, if Polka break this upper trend line, then next target is, which is at 19.85. $19.46. If Polka break this upper trend line, which is at 17.52, if Polka break this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit 14.53. These are two targets, 9.46 and 14.53. But for this, we have to watch breakout or breakdown. Breakout will be at 17.55 and breakdown will be at 16.70. And for this, hourly candle must have to close below these levels. My last coin is BNB. Here you can see BNB is in this rising broadening channel, and here you can see currently now is in this you can say a symmetrical triangle because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. And let me please show you let me please arrange the target for the BNB. If BNB break this towards upside, then definitely BNB is going to hit 49.68. You can say $50 very soon. But for this, BNB must have to close hourly candle above $46.8 level. And if unfortunately BNB break this towards the downside and break this downtrend too, then next target for the BNB is at 42.15. Friend, this is my technical analysis and these are my next targets for all these coins. Please show your support. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel, and please like this video because I am working very hard for you. And please join my Telegram channel. And if you want to trade with Bybit and Binance exchanges, then links are in this video description. Thanks for the watching. Please show your support. Take care.